Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, I found this on TikTok and on other, on other social media. I was going through there, and I would see this pop up every day. So, got this guy right here. This is the vacuum suction phone holder, innovative design. So this basically is something that you're supposed to be able to put on anywhere, but it comes with a transparent film, so just in case you can lay it down and suck on that, because I don't think it's going to go on anything. And it comes with 2 magnetic rings because it's really for the iPhone. Let me be honest with you. It's for the iPhone. But it comes with this ring around it that you can put on something else, and that right there will allow you to use your phone, because you can stick that on the back of your phone or the back of a case if you have a smooth enough case, and it will stick to this magnetic holder right here. So that's about it. There's really no other specs to give you. So that's about it. But before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my current and new subscribers for rocking with the channel. The more thumbs up you get, if you put something down in the comments below and you share it, the YouTube algorithm God loves that, and it eats it up, yum, 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 and it's and it kind of throws it back out, or throws it up, or spews it out to everybody that you think it might be good for. So again, just want to thank everybody for the growth of the channel. And without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Welcome to the Eagle Eye View. Another TikTok product that I did get on Amazon. I'm not really don't like ordering anything off of TikTok yet, but this is, like I said, a vacuum suction phone holder. Kept on coming up on my timeline. So let's see how it looks. Now today, guys, I'm gonna be using my brand new unboxing knife for this one. I think it's a little bit overkill, but hey, just trying to see how it works. Now, which one side is the cutting side? Oh, it's this side. Sorry, guys. All right. So we're going to go ahead and close that up. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and see how this looks. Comes in the box. Okay. All right. So it's upside down. Okay, we take it out. So this is how it looks, guys. The suction. What else comes in here? All right. We have wipes to install. We have I guess put this on any surface so it can stick to the surface in your car. Okay, I like that. And it comes with a tool, and it comes with some metal rings in case, I guess, because if your phone is not an Apple device, you can use it with other phones. Okay, and it comes with the book inside. Okay, we're gonna put all that back in here right now. Put it all the way over here, and we're gonna take a look at this. So I'm not gonna take this off at the moment. I'm gonna wait until we want to take it out to the car and see how it works. But okay, so this is the suction. When you hit it up, it suctions it out, as you can see. So it suctions up, and I'm trying to see how. Okay, so this is how you do it here, and then here, and then you can suction up here, and you can kind of manipulate it. So that's about it, guys. I mean, there's nothing else to it until I can get to use it. Let's see something real quick. All right, guys, I want to see how strong the suction is. Now, this is with the case, but as you can see, that's kind of really good right there. So as you can see, it is holding on there. It'll come off, so it is. So the magnet inside this is really powerful. Let's take it out the case real quick. All right, out of the case. See, it's dirty. Sorry about that, but we'll see. Yep, still there. Still holds. That's not bad, guys. Look at that. So pretty good. All right, I bought my other phone here. You see, this is my Pixel Pro, and I have a metal thing already on here. And let's see how. Okay, so it does hold that. So I can use that with that. And as you can see, it will still hold up. So that's pretty good, guys. So the magnets is strong on these. All right, so I'm gonna do it to, now it does stick there, but it ain't gonna hold it because it doesn't have the same powerful magnets that the iPhone has built in. So, you know, if you're driving and your car's shaking, this will probably come off. So that's why they have the rings so that you can put it on like the back of your phone and it will stick. It will hold on. That's hard. That's not coming off. See that? So that's how that looks, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to my car and we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see if it's worth the $17.99. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer. I'm in my car showing you how the vacuum suction phone holder works. So here we go right here. And as you can see, like I said, it pops open. So we're gonna put, you wanna pop it open, I'm guessing this way. So you wanna put it down. So as you can see, I'll put it on and it's kind of suction on there anyway, you know, but it comes off. I haven't even did the, so now we're gonna move the on to off. Now it's on there. I can't get it off, guys. Look at that. Can't get it off, so let's do it again. Oop, got it. So you see it came off then. So we're gonna do it again. It's on off. As you can see, off, and it gets go on. So I'm gonna hit it. It's not coming off, guys. All right, so now got my iPhone, and you can see, boom, stick it up there. So if you want to, you can bring it out. There you go. Then it's on there pretty good. So now if I put this back in the iPhone case, which it has the MagSafe built into the iPhone case right there, still stays there. So then what I also did, I took one of the little rings and I put it on my Google Pixel 8 Pro. So we're gonna go ahead and see. There you go, it's on there. So if you use the ring, it will, you know, because it's really meant for an iPhone. Use the ring, it comes off and on. And now because the back is kind of slippery, not really matted, the ring stays on there, which I didn't want it to stay on here anyway, but as you can see, the ring stays on there. Let me get it off real quick. All right, as you see, I took it off and I put the paper back around the sticky surface so I won't mess it up. Because really, I don't want nothing on my phone. I just did it so you can see that if you didn't have a case or you had, you know, a smoother case or a glass back, you know, should be able to get on, you know, stick on there and be used. But normally I have this right here, and this is my dirty, you know, one I use for the magnet one. I use so you can put it on there and it does stay up there. You just gotta make sure it's on there right, because you gotta remember it's a circle. So there it goes. So it does work, guys. It does work. You just got to get it up there because, you know, the way I have it set is set for the other magnetic holder I have. Not necessarily set for this one, but it does work. I can use it if I wanted to. So what do I think? I think it's okay. I think for $17.99, it's decent. And to be honest with you guys, this thing does, the suction does really work. I'm moving my car, trying to get off. So once I turned it off, it popped off like that. So I'm gonna leave it down there because I have to get out the car and get it. So guys, we're gonna get back to the regular view and I'll give you my final thoughts and give it a grade. All right. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the vacuum suction car holder and give it a grade. Guys, I do like it. It's not gonna be a long drawn out. I don't have 5 points to give. I think it's a decent product. I think it works well and it will declutter your setup that you got up in your car. Portable, the suction is strong. So I do like that fact. The one thing I don't like about it is I think that it's not going to last, you know, very long for me. the way I'm using it, because at the moment it really doesn't really sit flat like it was when I first pulled it out, because of the fact that, you know, been moving around. And I believe, this is my belief, that the plastic parts are going to give out if you know, over a couple of months, 2 or 3, 4, 5 months, maybe. If you get 5 months or a year out of this with heavy use, I would literally be surprised. So I do like it. The magnetic, the magnet is strong. So I do like that. I do like the fact that the suction is strong, as you saw. But I think what's going to be the problem is going to be the moving parts. I think because the plastic and you're moving it a lot, I think they're going to give out, because, like I said, it's not even sitting flat no more. It's a little gap in between there that it wasn't there when I first opened it, because I've been using it. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a C+. If it lasts a year, 6 months, I'll be surprised with heavy use. Now, if you're just going to put it there, leave it the way it is, and you're never going to move it, you're never going to take it off, it's going to sit there, you probably won't have a problem. But for those that are going to take it off, bring it in the house, use it at work, you know, be adjusting it, after a while, I believe that the plastic parts are going to give out or break. But for $17.99, you can replace it. So I guess, you know, for being $17.99, that, or, you know, you get for $13.99 or whatever, the cheapest price, I think that's going to, you know, that's going to kind of take away the sting of if it fails or if it breaks, that you didn't spend a lot of money on it. So, guys, that's my thing. I'll give it a C+. It's cool. It works. It does what it's supposed to do. But for $17.99, it's not the best built materials. If you use it every day, I think it's going to give out, because it's not even sitting flush no more the way it's supposed to sit flush on that thing. It doesn't. So I'm going to give it a C+, guys. Look, I'm going to put it in the description below. Do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I said describe. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm going to say that again. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank my current and new subscribers for rocking with the channel. Guys, we are, you know, growing. So, guys, just please give us a thumbs up. The more thumbs up you give us, and the more you share, if you leave a comment too, the YouTube algorithm gods, like, I like that. They're bowing down to that, to what we're asking them to do, and they'll send it out to everybody else. So do me a favor, just do that, guys. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, we got some new unboxing videos coming soon. So stay tuned. I'll see you in a couple of days or so. You have a good day. Peace.